Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel. On my last video, I told you that I have created one SQL roadmap that will help you to learn SQL quickly. That I will share with you now. Let's see.
SQL roadmap. This will help you to learn SQL. So full course I segregated with the units. So from that units I just part everything. So from this unit by you can by heart. Okay. So first unit is introduction. On that lesson 1 I will give the introduction. After that unit 1 is completely based on your select and data. It's select and sorting. Okay, retrieving data and sorting the data. Retrieving data using select and sorting data using the conditional operator like where clause. Okay, next unit 2 contains joins, subqueries and set operators. Unit 3 contain DML and DDL. We will go through the completely deep knowledge. Okay. Next is unit 4 contain view sequences, synonyms and indexes. Unit 5 contain managing schema objects. Unit 6 user access and unit 7 contain advanced query. So these complete things is related our SQL, and these things if people take a note or take the screenshot of this roadmap and go through each one by one, or I will be giving you the completely playlist on that, you will definitely get easily all the SQL. No need to go any other websites, any other channels or anywhere. You just by heart these things, you will completely can say I know SQL. So after this course is completed, I'll give you that what is the foreign key and primary key table contains in this course, installations of softwares and table structures. I completely explained in this video only. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.